In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can sign up for Metamask. So for those people who do not know Metamask is a crypto wallet where you guys can store your crypto. In normal wallet to store your money, in crypto wallet it is a digital wallet where you guys can store your crypto. Alright, so let me show you guys how you guys can sign up for it. Now before that, Metamask is like by default based on Ethereum network. Alright, so if you guys don't connect any other network in it, you guys are going to be using Ethereum network, so just keep that in mind. It's just a reminder to you guys because Ethereum network is really expensive, so when you're transacting stuff, it's going to be expensive. Alright, so just keep that in mind. So let me show you guys how you guys can sign up for it. If you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. Without any further ado, let's jump right into the video, shall we? Now the first step is you want to open Metamask and you want to click on where it says create a new wallet, because we don't have a wallet. Now when you're creating a wallet, you need to set a password for your wallet. So I'm going to set a password for my wallet over here real quick. After setting a password for your wallet, click on I understand that Metamask recover, and this stuff is basically like for you, consent of like I agree to the terms and service. Click on create password. After you create a password, it's going to ask you, do you want to have like a 12-digit recovery phrase? But I don't want to have like a 12-digit recovery phrase right now. But if you guys want me to make a video on that, then comment down below and subscribe to our channel with notification on, because in future I'm going to post a video on that as well. Alright, so I'm just going to click on remind me later because I don't want to do all that 12-digit recovery phrase stuff, and I click on I understand, click on skip, and basically my Metamask wallet is created. But at the bottom it says to protect your wallet, it asks you to set up a 12-digit recovery phrase. I'm going to do that later. Alright, so hope you guys were able to understand the video on how you guys can create a Metamask wallet. It's that simple. Now you guys can transact in Ethereum, transact out Ethereum, and do other tokens as well. So hope you guys were able to understand, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And it's me, Richie Kevin, signing out. Bye bye, have a nice day. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. 1 to step.